Hey guys, welcome to DevTech Finance. In this video, we would be learning about the term called investment bank. So let's start. Investment banks are financial institutions that provide strategic advice to companies, governments, and others on their capital needs and investment decisions and arrange raising such funds on terms that are most suitable to the company. So, investment banks are those banks, or we can say financial institutions, which help out the companies or government or any corporate body to take investment decisions. So they help out in if a company want to raise funds, investment banks would help out in what all options they are having. They would provide advices related to it. They would tell them where they can raise funds from, what would be the legal procedures they would have to follow, what all documentation and registration that would be required. So investment bank generally help out these companies or corporate bodies to take investment decision and to raise their finance for any particular project or expansion or any such event. Their activities include advisory services for business expansion, mergers and acquisitions, project financing, investment valuation, among others. Investment bankers charge a fee for their service. So generally, the big companies or large companies, they hire investment banks, they hire investment bankers to provide all these services to them. So whenever they go for business expansions or any merger and acquisition, which means acquiring any other company or getting merged with any particular company, so investment banks advise how they could move forward on these events, on these projects. They also provide project financing, so where they could raise finance from the investment valuation. So if they are investing in any particular project, what would be the valuation of that project and how much cost they would incur, what should be the charges they would have to pay, etc. So all those advices and analysis is facilitated by investment banks, and in respect of all these things they charge a fee for their service. They also play a major role in issue of IPO and listing of companies. So whenever the companies get listed on stock exchange, first time they issue their shares to public, they appoint investment banker, because investment banker look into the roles and responsibilities regarding the issue of IPO. So they guide throughout the IPO process till this shares get till the company get listed on the exchange. So they guide throughout the process what would be the valuation of money the company wants to raise, what should be the share price, what should be the documentation required, how that red prospect should be formed, and red herring document, etc. So all these things uh, is facilitated by investment banker, and for that reason the companies hire them and pays their service charge. Now, some of the examples of investment banks in India are SBI Capital Markets Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, BNP Paribas, BOI Merchant Bankers Limited. So these are special financial institutions facilitating investment and raising finance activities. So thank you for watching. This was all for this video. Do like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel DevTech Finance. Thank you all.